Hey guys, the Collector Feet tonight. So I'm making this video because Mr. Softy's coming at 7 p.m. and he's never came at 7. This is also my first ice cream truck catching video. I kind of want to get into this as a random thing to maybe get some views. Because I've seen people do it and it gets views, and we have some ice cream trucks coming to my area, so I thought I'll try to catch it. But there's one up there because I heard the music and it stopped. Pretty sure it's Mr. Softy. At the bottom of it looks like a different truck, maybe? I wonder if there's a different driver coming by. It's a different truck. It's a different Mr. Softy truck. Mr. Softy truck up there. The front end of it looks really different. I'm gonna try to cut to when it comes back. Oh, she's on. There it goes. I'm catching him on the street. There he is. Found him again. Alright, that's the last scene, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next ice cream truck catching video. Next video, I'm going to try to catch Frosties or Jeff Jollies. Bye.